Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna cook homemade pizza. We will need salami, cheese. I use 3 different kind of cheeses. You can use the ones that you like. Also we need canned tomatoes, black olives, banana pepper and mushrooms. I use portobello mushrooms. On the top of the pizza we will add ghee butter. Let's get started. First, let's prepare pizza crust. You can get ready one or prepare at home yourself. Add a little bit olive oil on the baking pan and your fingers. This will prevent dough to be sticky. After that, just make a circle shape according to the size of your baking pan. And after that, just cover dough with a wet paper towel. It will prevent it to become dry while we prepare pizza filling. Now it's time to set oven temperature to 430 Fahrenheit. While oven is getting ready, let's prepare pizza sauce. I add canned tomatoes, black pepper, salt, red pepper, and herb de Provence in the blender and mix it. The sauce is ready. Now it's time to prepare cheese. I grate approximately 120 grams of hard cheese. Also I slice mozzarella. After that, I need to separate olives from the seeds. It's better to buy pitted olives. This will save you some time. Now, let's put all our ingredients on our pizza crust. First, I put sauce. Next step is shredded cheese. After that, let's put salami. Next step is mushrooms. Cheese and ghee butter. The first pizza is ready to go to the oven. Let's do second pizza. I put the same sauce, cheese, salami and mushrooms again. After that, I add banana peppers and black olives. On the top, I add feta cheese and ghee butter. This pizza is ready to go to the oven as well. I baked each pizza for 15 minutes. Pizza is ready. It's a very nice dish to eat on the lunch with a glass of red wine. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Bye bye and have a wonderful time.